Hey everyone, it's Gan from Pepi's Techsuit, and today we will be following up our last unboxing video of the Apple Magic Keyboard in Space Gray with the Apple Magic Trackpad in Space Gray. So let's get to it. So welcome back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing. For those of you that are subscribed, for those of you that aren't, we have a lot more videos coming out soon. So definitely get subscribed for that. Also, we have our first ever giveaway coming out really soon. So subscribe to our channel here for the video that will announce all the rules and everything. And on Instagram, follow us there at Pepi's Sweatsuit, where we will be hosting the actual contest. Okay, so let's get right to it. We have the Apple Magic Trackpad 2 here in Space Gray. I just did a video unboxing the Magic Keyboard, and yeah, the Space Gray colors have been discontinued on the Apple website as of right now. I don't know if they're doing some new versions of them, but I have this one right here. You know, paid that Space Gray tax, but these do look beautiful, so let's just get right to it and get this unboxed. Alright, so going around the box, we have the typical Apple, all whited out, with the word Magic Trackpad, and a picture of the product. On one side, we have the Apple logo, other side, Apple logo too. On the back, it's different. On the Magic keyboard, it said Magic Keyboard with numeric keypad up here, but it's different down here. Smaller box maybe, I don't know. Serial number, fun stuff like that. Alright. So let's just get this thing unboxed. I know some of you guys love the sound, so. Alright, so we have the Magic Trackpad here. Get this out of the box. Again, like the Magic Keyboard, some of them sliding boxes. Beautiful. That might be the most magic part about this product. But yeah, let me put this out of the way here. We got the Magic Trackpad right here. Pretty much an identical unboxing experience so far. Yeah, pretty much the exact same thing as the Magic Keyboard that we just unboxed. We'll put that off to the side here. Black lightning cable, very cool. You know how they do. These used to be much more rare, but I guess with more Space Gray products coming out, the Pro Black Lightning cable look is here. Again, I wish it was USB-C, but it's Lightning, so not that fun. You have your reading materials here for when you're sitting on the toilet, but that out of the way for now. Alright, main attraction. This gray little rectangle here. That was that was not the smoothest thing. Alright, so here it is. Magic Trackpad 2. This thing is beautiful. It's just like the Mac trackpads where it's kind of like done through vibrations. You can click anywhere. So as you can see, I'm pressing down on all the corners, no clicking. When it turns on, that becomes available. So let's go around the trackpad. Exact same thing as a keyboard here. We have that kind of like engraved Apple logo here, all blacked out. This looks beautiful as always. That's why you pay that Space Gray tax for this stuff here. Ridiculously thin, just like the keyboard. I'm pretty sure they line up perfectly. Put them right next to each other, and it'll look and feel great when you're using products. Exact same thing as the keyboard up top too. We have antennas and stuff. You have the lightning port. Again, wish it was USB-C, but you know Apple. You know how Apple be. And on and off switch. Oh, that's nice. You can see that right now. You hear that? Turn this off. Off. It's not there anymore. Pretty cool stuff. They pretty much started off with that MacBook Pro in 2015, which is one of my favorite laptops I've ever had. I haven't had a Mac since, but with WWDC coming up. I'm excited for both the software updates that could be announced for things like the iPad, iPhone, or iOS 15, iPadOS 15, all that fun stuff. And also hardware. There might be some really cool Macs, MacBook Pros that we're hearing about, M1X maybe, M2, whatever. It's an exciting time to be an Apple fan, and even if you're not, you have to appreciate what they're doing. It's really cool, really fun times all around if you're just into tech like me. Alright, but that's it for me. You got this beautiful trackpad here. Got the Magic Keyboard unboxing. You can check that out at the top of your screen right now. But yeah, other than that, thank you again for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we have our first ever giveaway coming up. Really cool stuff. I'm just organizing all that. It's going to be fun, especially if you are a Raptors fan. Wink, wink. Alright, but that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Definitely get subscribed. Follow on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, whatever you want. But that's it for me. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time.